So I'll fold it out. Very nice. And they're typing on our Bluetooth keyboard. Maybe someday. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to look at a foldable Bluetooth keyboard. So this is by 1byOne, and we've looked at some of their products before. And you know, what makes these Bluetooth keyboards really kind of practical to take with you is you've got this big old keyboard that you've got to pack and tote with you. You know, you might as well just take your desktop and keyboard with you as well, and maybe throw in the monitor to boot. Just kidding. So anyway, 1byOne is looking to resolve that problem, so let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at this nice looking keyboard. Now this is really a nice looking keyboard that's going to really match your Mac motif, iPad motif, whatever. As you can see, it's got that kind of brushed aluminum look. Very sturdy, well made. So we're going to take a look at that. So here you get a user guide, a little micro USB cable to plug this in and charge it up and all that. So let's go ahead and pop this out. You can see it's very compact. Just rip it up there. Alright. So you can see this is a very, once folded up, very compact. This will fit in your backpack very, very nicely. So there it is, straight out of the box, all folded up and ready to travel. So let's go ahead and open this up, and we'll show you exactly what you get. So there you go. There's where you can charge this or plug it in. So I'll fold it out. Very nice. And there is what the keyboard looks like. Just your standard QWERTY QWERTY keyboard. So you can see now, usability, you can see this has got the little hinges right in here, so will those create a problem? Let's just see. You know, and this is of course it's smaller than like you know, obviously some of the other Bluetooth keyboards out there. It's definitely smaller than a keyboard. And you can see as I type, I am causing it to kind of lift off the ground, but I'm a hard enter key. I'm what they call a hard finisher on keying. And you can see as I get over here towards the top right, I am causing the keyboard to kind of come off the ground. Now, is that a showstopper? No. Annoying? Maybe mildly. But other than that, it works. So let's go ahead, let's plug this in, get it paired up. Now again, this is a Bluetooth keyboard, so let's get it to where we can use this with our iPad. So we'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. What we've done is we've charged up this Bluetooth keyboard, so let's go ahead and see how easy it is to get this working. So basically it's in an off mode. I've already paired this, so let's just go ahead and go into settings and I'll show you the Bluetooth in here. Bear with me, this is an iPad 2, but it's performing quite slowly. So if we look up here, I'm going to scroll the camera up just a little bit. There's this 1byOne keyboard not connected. So all you gotta do is flip this baby open. Now what happens is it automatically turns on with this little green light here, as you can see, and it should, there you go, automatically reconnect. It was super simple to pair this up. You just hold the function key down and the C key, which has a little Bluetooth emblem on it. That gets it into pairing mode. You see it in here, you click OK, boom, you're paired up and ready to go. So that is quite a nice little feature. Again, we can just bring up notes, and then we can just start typing on our Bluetooth keyboard. Maybe someday. Apologize, for some reason this iPad seems to be running really slow. So let's just go over here, hit enter a couple times maybe. And this is just the iPad running slow, but overall the keyboard's got a really nice feel. There, I'm going, now doing this behind the camera is a little more tricky. I am going to type on this. You can see I'm having little problems behind the the keyboard when the camera's here, and then also a little bit of latency on this iPad. Now, an iPad 2, for some reason, getting really slow feedback, but there you go. Now again, you can see I'm a hard enter, and you can see that it lifts it up a little bit. But overall, this is a great little portable keyboard to just fold up. Now again, once you close it up, it turns it off. It'll be disengaged in the iPad's Bluetooth, and you're good to go. Now I did want to also look at, it does have some hotkey features. We just open this back up. Now as you can see, up here there are a bunch of like cut, paste, copy, clipboard, and you get this little guide that actually shows you what everything actually does. Previous track, playback, pause, next track, volume up, down, keyboard display. So it does have a bunch of little shortcut hotkeys, so that does work. There is no problem with that. So you know, just another kind of a cool feature that this keyboard has. And you have to hit function though. So obviously now you can see I'm controlling the volume, going up and down, all that kind of stuff. But you just have to hit function and then your shortcut key up there, and you're good to go. And again, this does work with numerous devices. You don't have to just use an iPad. You can use an Android tablet, a Windows thing, a Mac, you know, whatever you want to try to hook this up to. It is just a standard Bluetooth keyboard, can be paired to one device at a time. And other than that, check the show notes for a link. This is actually a pretty nice little handy keyboard to go, and I was actually really impressed with it. I love that portability and the look and quality build. So overall, a really good product from 1byOne. Again, show notes will have a link where you can pick this up, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and a subscription to the channel. And as always guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.